Hello everyone, hope you all are well. So today I am here, your mathematics Didi is here with a new trick of ratio. In every exam, you can see at least one or two questions from the ratio chapter, and mainly these types of questions that I will discuss today. And if you learn the trick, then you can do these types of question in some second. Believe me, just watch the video carefully. But before getting into the video, please subscribe Mathematics Didi and share it more with your friends. Okay, now let's start the math. Suppose A is to B is given and B is to C is given. Now you have to find what will be the value of A is to C or C is to A. That can be one type of question, or sometimes you can see A is to B and B is to C are given and you have to find the value of A is to B is to C. So basically using this trick you can find three types of value. One by one I am writing here. In number 1 you can find the value of A is to B is to C, in number 2 A is to C, and in number 3 C is to A. And basically the question from ratio chapter will be these types of question in every exam. Now I will discuss what is the trick. But have you subscribed Mathematics Didi? If not, then go and subscribe Mathematics Didi. Suppose A is to B is given 3 is to 4 and B is to C, that is also given. B is to C equals to 5 is to 8. So these are the given in question. Now I am sharing the trick, and if you want then you can note down it. Write at the top A, B, C. Now there will be basically two row. In first row write 3 at the place of A and 4 at the place of B. Same in the second row, write 5 in the place of B and write 8 at the place of C. But remember one thing, you cannot mess up with the value. A is to B equals to 3 is to 4 means the first value will be the value of A and the last value will be the value of B. So you have to put the value at the exact place, otherwise the answer will be wrong. Now you have to fill up the blank space. See, in the first row there was a blank space and in the second row there was a blank space. So you have to write the number at the blank space that is present either at the right side or left side. So here in the first row, in the right side there is no number, in the left side there is 4, so I am writing it 4 here. And in the second row, as no number is present in the left side but one number is present at the right side, so you have to write 5. Now you have to multiply all the numbers column wise. That is 3 into 5, that will be 15, 4 into 5, that will be 20, and 4 into 8, that will be 32. So this is the answer of A is to B is to C. So I think the trick is clear to you. If not, then comment down where is your problem, then I will try to solve it. Now from same question we can solve A is to C and C is to A. A is to C means you have to take the value that is present at the house of A and the value that is present in the house of C. So 15 is to 32, that will be the value of A is to C. Just remove the value of B. Now C is to A means reverse it, that is 32 is to 15. And A is to B is to C already I have told. Now I am going to the second question. Suppose X is to Y equals to 11 is to 3. Y is to Z equals to 7 is to 12. Now you have to find X is to Z. So now I am writing X, Y, Z. Now fill up all the places. At the place of X write 11, at the place of Y write 3. In the second row at the place of Y write 7 and at the place of Z write 12. Now fill up the blank at Z place by 3 as 3 is present in its left side, and at the blank space of second row fill up it by 7 as 7 is present at the right side. Now multiply all the value, but no need to multiply the value of Y as we want only the value of X is to Z. So 11 into 7 equals to 77 and 3 into 12 equals to 36. So 77 is to 36, that will be the final answer. Next, one homework is given for you all. If you can understand the trick, then just comment down. That is P is to Q equals to 12 is to 17 and Q is to R equals to 8 is to 9. Now you have to find the value of P is to Q is to R and the value of P is to R. So comment down, and today up to this. Next day I will come with some new tricks. Up to then, bye bye.